Professor Janet Scheel of the Physics Department. I'm an assistant professor and I've been here at Occi for 5 years now. Classes that I teach Waves, which is Physics 106, which is the first semester of introductory physics for physics majors. I also teach the junior seminar, which is a required class for all physics majors in their junior year. In that class, students do research on a topic that they're interested in, some current topic in physics, and they write a paper on it and they do a presentation. So it's a really fun class. I do research on turbulence in fluids. A fluid consists of either a liquid or a gas. Liquid metals would also be fluids. Even the Earth's surface could be considered a fluid on a very long time scale. 20 years ago, people really didn't understand these systems at all, but technology has gotten to the point where experimenters can actually take data, and people like myself can do numerical simulations with computers. And so now we suddenly have lots of information about these systems, and we're studying it and trying to understand what's going on in these incredibly complicated, noisy systems. One of the things I think is really unique about Occi is that many students have a chance to do undergraduate research, mostly over the summer, but sometimes during the year as well. And most of us participate in the summer research program. I have done it every year so far, and I really enjoy it. This year I have 2 students doing research with me. It's original. You're going to be studying some topic that nobody's ever studied before, and you'll get to know it incredibly well, and you'll probably know one particular question or subject better than anybody else, and it's a fun experience. Really, I think it helps our students develop their passions and interests. You'll find out if you really like the subject or not when you spend a long, intensive summer studying something. We also have the Engineering 3-2 program, where students spend 3 years at Occi getting a Bachelor's of Arts in either physics or chemistry, and then they go on. We have a partnership with Columbia and Caltech. They spend 2 years and get their Bachelor's of Science in Engineering, and so that's a nice route that some students can take. Some things that make Occi students unique, they seem to have a real strong sense of social justice and environmental justice. They're very outspoken, and they're very aware of a lot of the injustices that go on in the world today, and I really enjoy the sort of how politically active Occi students are.